Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host Milton Ebiwari John. Today we'll be looking at finding the solution to quadratic equation using completing the square method. Okay, so quickly we are going to solve this problem we have on the board. 2x squared is equal to 3x plus 5. So we are going to solve that. So the first thing we need to do is to rearrange this question to fit in the standard quadratic equation. So we are going to take these ones here. So we have 2x squared. Taking this here, we have minus 3x. Okay, we can leave the constant on this side. It's not a problem. So we have it like this now. Very easy. The next thing we need to do is to divide through by the coefficient of s squared. We divide through this equation by the coefficient of s squared. Now the coefficient of s squared in this equation is 2. So we are going to divide through this equation by 2. So if we say 2s squared divided by 2, it gives us s squared minus 3s divided by 2, it gives us minus 3 over 2x equals to 5 over 2. So 5 also will be divided by 2. So these two divides through everything in the equation. Next, we are going to make the right hand side, the left hand side a perfect square. I'm going to make this side of the equation a perfect square. How do we do that? We are going to add half the coefficient of x to this side, half the coefficient of x to this side. Once we do that, this side becomes a perfect square. But whatever we add to this side to make it a perfect square will also be added to the right hand side to make it balanced, okay, to get a balanced equation. So to do this, now we're going to say x squared minus 3 over 2x plus, we're adding half of s, the coefficient of x, which is minus 3 over 2 all squared. You see that? Equals to 5 over 2 plus 1 over 2 times minus 3 over 2 all squared. So we're adding half the coefficient of s all squared to both sides. I repeat, we added half the coefficient of x all squared to both sides. This is the coefficient of x minus 3 over 2. Half of minus 3 over 2 is what we have added to both this side and this side. So we'll continue with the computation. So we are going to have here s squared minus 3 over 2x plus 9 over 16 equals to 5 over 2 plus 9 over 16. Okay, so that's what you get when you sum here. You get this, and the same result appears here. So the next thing we need to do is to is to factorize this. Okay, so now this is a perfect square, very easy to factorize. Take x, take the sign here, and take the square root of this, which is 3/4 square all, is equals to, sum this, you have 16, and then you have 16 divided by 2 is addition of fraction, is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 9, so you get 49/16 here. Next thing, you square root both sides to remove square from here. So when you square root both sides, you are going to have x minus 3/4 is equals to plus or minus the square root of 49/16. So you take the square root of both sides to get rid of the square, okay? And then when taking the square root on the right hand side, you are going to have plus or minus, very necessary. And so with this, we have x minus 3/4 is equals to plus or minus square root of 49 is 7/4. So with this, we can take s is equals to, taking this to this side, we have 3/4 plus or minus 7/4. So we can simplify this by separating the plus or minus, and we'll say this is 3/4 plus 7/4, or s is equals to 3/4 minus 7/4. So we can put down our final answer. When you solve this, I'm going to get s is equals to 3 plus 7 is 10/4, and that's equals to 5/2, or when you reduce this to lowest term, you get 5/2, or 3 minus 7 is s is equals to minus 4/4, and that is equals to minus 1. So the two results we have s equals to 5/2, or 2 number 1/2, and then s equals to minus 1. So these are the steps you need to follow to solve completing the square.